Welcome to Reviews Inside TV, where we break down the latest products with honest, detailed insights to help you make the best choices. Today, we're looking at the Sanitaire Tradition Upright Bagged Commercial Vacuum, model SC886G. If you're in the market for something built to last, with a real focus on power and durability, you're in the right place. At first glance, the Sanitaire SC886G stands out as a commercial-grade vacuum designed to handle more than your everyday cleaning needs. With an extended life motor that promises over 2,000 hours of cleaning, it's engineered to outlast most household models by a factor of 5. So what does that mean in real terms? This vacuum isn't just a workhorse. It's built to endure years of heavy-duty use, making it ideal for larger spaces or commercial environments. The large chrome hood is another sign of its toughness, offering extra protection against the wear and tear that comes with frequent use. One of the standout features of this model is its maintenance system. For those of us who don't want to waste time fiddling with complicated upkeep, the SC886G offers tool-free brush roll and belt replacement, which is as convenient as it gets for anyone maintaining a commercial vacuum. There's also the quick clean fan chamber, ensuring easy access to the fan area for cleaning. Along with the metal clip bag release system, maintenance is streamlined, which can save valuable time. The vacuum's 18-quart shakeout bag is another impressive element, allowing for large capacity and less frequent interruptions to empty the bag. The system helps you keep going without needing to stop every so often. Plus, this vacuum is built for comfort. Its looped handle provides a better grip, which can help reduce strain during long cleaning sessions. When it comes to performance, the SC886G doesn't hold back. The 50-foot commercial-grade detachable power cord is long enough to cover a large area, up to 7,800 square feet, without constantly needing to switch outlets. This is especially helpful in bigger spaces where you need consistent reach without any hiccups. For those wondering about sound, it operates at a 79 dBA sound level, which isn't overly loud for a commercial vacuum, but it's something to keep in mind if you're sensitive to noise. Let's talk real-world usage. Setting it up is a breeze, and it's clear that ease of use is a priority here. The looped handle is comfortable and ergonomic, making it less of a hassle to push around even for extended periods. The brush roll is tough and ready to tackle dust, dirt, and debris, making it easy to get the job done on various surfaces. Whether you're dealing with deep pile carpets or smooth office floors, the Sanitaire SC886G handles both with relative ease. The performance is where it truly shines. On hard floors, it picks up crumbs and fine dust with little effort. On carpets, especially high-traffic areas, it pulls up embedded dirt and debris like it's nothing. One thing to note though, if you're cleaning a lot of hair, it may occasionally tangle around the brush roll, but with tool-free maintenance, getting rid of tangles is hassle-free. What really stands out here is the large capacity of the shakeout bag. It holds a significant amount of dirt before needing to be emptied, meaning less downtime during cleaning. Of course, on the flip side, some users may prefer a more hygienic bagless design, but the capacity of this bag is hard to beat for those tackling large spaces. When it comes to downsides, there are a couple of things worth mentioning. The 79 dBA noise level is slightly louder than your typical household vacuum, which might be a concern in more noise-sensitive environments. It's not unbearable by any means, but it's definitely something to keep in mind if you're cleaning in an area that needs quiet or around people sensitive to noise. Additionally, while the 50-foot cord is excellent for large areas, it can be a bit cumbersome in smaller spaces. You may have to work around the cord in tight spots, which some users may find a bit limiting. In terms of build quality, the Sanitaire SC886G feels robust and durable. The chrome hood is not just for looks, it provides extra durability for tough environments. The materials used throughout the vacuum feel solid and built to last, which is exactly what you'd expect from a commercial-grade model. In terms of value for money, this vacuum is definitely a strong contender for those who need something built to handle commercial cleaning. It comes with a price tag that reflects its heavy-duty nature, but when compared to other commercial vacuums, it holds up well in terms of performance and durability. If you're in a business or manage a large home, the cost may be justified by the long-term reliability and efficiency it offers. Now, let's compare the Sanitaire SC886G to a couple of other options in this price range. If you're looking at similar commercial-grade vacuums, something like the Hoover Commercial Hush Tone is often in the same category. Both vacuums are similarly priced, but the Hoover has a more advanced filtration system and quieter operation, though it doesn't have the same long reach or bag capacity as the Sanitaire. Another option could be the Orec Commercial XL2100 RHS, which is slightly lighter and more compact, but lacks the same heavy-duty motor or the extensive maintenance features found in the Sanitaire. For those focused on long-term, commercial-grade performance, the SC886G clearly stands out. In terms of maintenance, the Sanitaire SC886G offers some excellent features for ease of use. The tool-free brush roll replacement is a game changer, and the metal clip bag release is straightforward, allowing for quick, easy bag changes. The only maintenance downside is that, like most bagged vacuums, it can get a bit messy when shaking out the bag, but this is relatively easy to manage considering the large capacity of the bag. While we're on the subject of durability, Sanitaire's reputation for long-lasting products is well earned. The materials used here feel solid, and there's no sense that this vacuum is prone to early wear and tear. The extended life motor is a standout feature for anyone concerned with longevity. Customer support from Sanitaire is also solid. While I haven't needed to personally reach out for this model, the brand has a generally strong track record for handling warranty claims and maintenance issues quickly and efficiently. Finally, to wrap it all up, the Sanitaire Tradition upright bagged commercial vacuum is an impressive machine built for the long haul. If you need a powerful vacuum that can handle large spaces, heavy use, and tough environments, this one is definitely worth considering. It's not the quietest on the market, but its durability, performance, and ease of maintenance make it a solid investment for commercial-grade cleaning. If you're after something that'll last for years and handle heavy-duty cleaning, this vacuum is a strong contender. Thanks for watching, and remember to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss a review. The link to this product can be found in the comments box below. If you've got any questions or have used this vacuum, feel free to drop a comment. I'd love to hear your thoughts. Until next time, goodbye, and keep your spaces cleaner, longer.